Hello guys, I am back for another video. Today we are going to see whether or not this jacket looks the way that I saw it on Aliexpress. I know it's always a risk to order from Aliexpress, but I have a bit of a story about this one. The other day, Aliexpress, they had like their 11/11 sale, and I had been eyeing a shearling jacket, like a shearling moto jacket forever, like forever. And I wanted one so bad, but who's gonna pay Acne Studios over $1,000 USD for one? Like, I just wondering who. Maybe I'll have wished that I did by the time this video ends and I'll have opened this package. Aliexpress, they had their 11/11 sale. I've been watching this jacket forever on a few different stores. So of course the stores, they show street style photos of these models wearing these jackets, not necessarily their own models. I'm gonna give a few tips on how to shop on Aliexpress, and maybe they'll be completely irrelevant by the end of this video because I don't know if this jacket's gonna fit, if it's gonna look good. I'm just so nervous. A few tips on shopping on Aliexpress. The first thing you want to do is look at the reviews of the store. And I'll put in a screen share here on how you can actually like click through to a store, take a look at their reviews, as well look at people's pictures wearing the item that you want to purchase as well. So you can actually sort through different ratings of the item. I only shop for items that have ratings 4.5 and above because some people are salty. I will say, some people are salty and will give a product a bad review. So I take some of them with a grain of salt, but a lot of the times I try to make sure that at least there are 1 to over 100, depends on the item, at least one picture of somebody wearing the item plus a review that seems pretty legit. And some of the reviews are in Russian, so there's like a really bad translation of them. You can take that and paste it into Google Translate and read those instead. That would be my recommendation. Another thing as well too is I made sure that this jacket would be shipped via DHL, which is a express shipper. A lot of people have horror stories of their item coming 6 months later or not showing up at all just as a result of the postal service. So here in Canada, a lot of times items will ship via Canada Post, and right now they're in a strike. There's a lot of drama going on with that. So I chose to ship via DHL. Always try to make sure that you purchase via an e-packet when you are selecting for shipping. So don't just do the regular like default AliExpress way. Ship via e-packet. If the item will not come via e-packet, then find another way, like find another product. You can actually do a reverse image search in AliExpress. Instead of typing it in, you could just search via image and it'll hopefully pop up because multiple stores sell the exact same item on AliExpress. So you're usually able to find it at a bit of a better deal. Yes, I look for free shipping, but really an e-packet is the best way to go. You pay an extra $1 to $3 depending on the item. Those are a few of my tips on how to shop on AliExpress. So yeah, let's just dive straight into this. I'm just ready to see this. Alrighty. I have my knife here because my scissors are MIA for some reason. Don't open your packages the way I just did with the knife, but it already feels amazing. It already feels amazing. Oh, your girl is gonna look good this winter. I got this in an extra, extra large. I'll leave the link down below, so if you want to purchase this jacket, you can. Oh my god, it fits me like perfectly. Let me actually zoom out a bit for you guys too, so you can see. This is what the jacket looks like on. Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I wanted. It looks like from the back. Hey. Here, so you guys can actually like see what this looks like on me. I'm just wearing like my dress. What? I'm flabbergasted, like the details of like the belt buckle. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my goodness, like I actually can't deal. This is so cute. It zips. Oh, this is too much. I'm in love. Like, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm just literally gonna sit here in my jacket. I have a few winter trips planned. I am so happy with it. It also smells great. A lot of items that I've had shipped from Aliexpress before just haven't smelled the best, but yeah, I love the smell. I love the look. I'm obsessed. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.